All right, boys, we're in Costco right now with the family again. We always make these trips into like a family trip. Yeah, and let's. The first thing we do is we're gonna get some chicken. I usually get like a pack of the chicken thighs, the organic chicken thighs, just because it's a good deal. And I also really like the ground turkey. Excellent deal. It's just ground turkey. All right, and then we got some bison and ground beef and wagyu. I already have some of these at the house, but it's a great deal for organic meat. Yeah, I mean, Costco's got a ton of great meat and fish. I love their steak. You can get a bunch of the meat from here. I'm gonna show you some of the frozen stuff too that's excellent to just keep in the freezer. All right, so these wild caught salmon are pretty freaking great. They're boneless, skin on. I think they're like $30 or something like that. Oh, sorry, $35. Not a bad deal. And you get just like a bunch of nice frozen salmon in the freezer. Let me show you some other stuff that I love. These farm-raised shrimps are incredible. You get 21 to 25 of these per pound, and it's only about like $15.99. Freaking amazing. And just because these are some fresh farm-raised Branzinos, 3 for $30. It's not bad actually. It's a pretty good price. Typically these would be around like $14 a pound, it's about $8.99. Having some shrimps and some fish in the freezer that's fresh, farm caught, wild. I mean, usually this stuff that's coming from Costco it's a good deal, and I think it's a great thing to have on hand. All right, once we've gotten our meat, so typically I usually work on the outside of Costco. I don't rock with the stuff in the middle. There's nothing there for me. But then I get some of these organic avocados. You know, you taste, you press, you see what's good. I usually keep these out because I have some in the fridge already, just to kind of keep them ready to go, and I'll just keep them out for a day or two, and then they're ready to do it. Organic Hass avocados for $9.99. Oh, hot tip: anytime you see the green tags at Costco, that means that's a really hot buy. That's a good deal. I love also having some of these raviolis on hand. These are amazing. They come in a 2-pack. They're spinach and cheese, ricotta cheese, and they're organic. It's a really great deal. So there's a ton of fruit and vegetables and things like that. I love to also get some dates too. Dates are really great for you. They're low glycemic and they go into a lot of different things. These are organic medjool dates. Medjools are kind of like the nice, really great dates, and they're only $11.99 for 2 pounds. It's amazing. Organic bananas, a bunch for $2.49 for 3 pounds. It's a really great deal. I like to get one that's already kind of green, just to keep, because we go through so many bananas at the house, and then one that's a little bit more on the yellow side so we can eat them right away. All right, so now we're about to go through into the fresh produce section, the big cooler. So in here, we're gonna find some really great things, maybe some blueberries. I usually get my berries from here because I'm not berry rich, if you know what I mean. One day I will be. But yeah, this is a great place to get some good deal on berries. Let's check it out. All right, we got raspberries, $7.49 organic. Look for some ones that aren't all effed up. These look pretty bad. Let's do something back here. Let's do one of these. And then I just saw some blueberries, organic blueberries for $10.99. That's great for like 2 pounds of blueberries. That's amazing. So anytime I make pizza, I always like to have mushrooms on hand because people like mushrooms on their pizza. $5.99 for almost 2 pounds worth of baby bell mushrooms, organic. You could get other vegetables in here if you have like a party or something and you want to do like a big salad and you want to just save some money. Like, I really do think this is a great place to buy some good vegetables. They have a ton of organic vegetables and fruits in here that like you just can't miss. Check it out. Your boy also likes to do some working out and having some protein in the morning. I usually will get this almond vanilla Kirkland almond milk, unsweetened. It's pretty good. It's $7.99. You get six containers for $7.99. It's a pretty freaking great deal. So this is a really amazing snack. These are Parmesan cheese crisps. 13 grams of protein, 1 gram of carbs, 0 sugar, no lactose or gluten. It's keto friendly and it's pretty great as a snack. So I know you could probably go get a bunch of fruit, wash them, let them dry out, then put them in bags so that you could do your whole smoothies in the morning for after you're doing your little workouts and stuff. But these bags from Costco are the fucking shit. I love them, and they're organic berries. This is organic blueberries for $8.59, and you're getting about 3 pounds worth of blueberries. It's amazing. All right, this is the shit. You have to get Kewpie mayo. This is the stuff you put on burgers, whatever you want. Like, I don't know, it's amazing. It's the best mayo. Now it's time to go get some eggs. We're gonna go in the dairy section. All right, let's go get it. All right, these are organic, free-range, pasture-raised eggs, 24 count for $8.99. Can't beat that with a baseball bat. All right, I always like to see if these shit's broken. Sometimes they are. People go crazy for these fucking eggs. I get 2 because we go through so many at the house. All right. So I'm from the Mediterranean and we eat a ton of olive oil. A ton of olive oil. So this Italian extra virgin olive oil, 100% organic, or it's not organic, but it's olive oil. Extra virgin is the fucking best. Honestly, like I've tried so many different kinds of olive oils. This one, for the value of the money, is $17.99. Sometimes they have it for less, but $17.99 for some olive oil is amazing. All right, my pantry cannot be stocked enough of this marinara sauce. Seriously, Rouse is the effing best. It's so good. So I get this Rouse every time I come here because sometimes they run out. And this thing, I mean, honestly, you can try to make your own marinara sauce, but you're not gonna beat Rouse. It's the most expensive, it's the hardest restaurant to get into in the country. In New York is Rouse, so they're doing something right. Just definitely pick yourself up one of these. And because you can get them at Costco, 28 ounces is like, I think 4 cups, which will cost an arm and a leg in the actual supermarket. All right, it's the family. All right, so a staple in our house is oatmeal in the morning, and so we typically get this one over here called Coach's Oats. It's pretty amazing. It's only $10.99. This lasts, it's 4.5 pounds worth of oatmeal. It's pretty amazing. Really easy to make. It tastes delicious. And I'll show you some recipes on how to actually use this. It tastes delicious with the dates, some cinnamon, and a little bit more. So we always have nuts in the house, almonds, walnuts, organic stuff, just because it's good for you, it's healthy, it's a great little snack. I really love these organic ones. Walnuts for $8.99, $8.89. They got some organic almonds as well, $9.49. I'm gonna pick up a bag here. I need some for the house now. This sea salt is amazing, and I'm gonna pick up a pair. It's $3.39. You get like a ton of sea salt. It's about a pound and almost 2 pounds worth of salt for $3.39. All right, over the holidays, I had to use a lot of stock and to be able to make gravy or whatever it is I need to make, and soups and stuff. This stuff is freaking amazing. I don't know what the heck it is, but it's this bouillon that's amazing. It's $6.99, 21 ounces. Try to get this in another place, forget about it. Okay, nutso, also freaking amazing. Great little treat if you don't like peanut butter. My favorite is to pair this with a banana. That's my favorite snack. For you boys that are trying to get swole, the ON Optimum Nutrition Whey Protein is fucking great. I'm about to finish the vanilla ice cream. I think I'm gonna go back to the chocolate. I think it's a little less sweet. Yeah, but it's great. $63.99. You can't really beat that for protein for this amount. All right, I really love these crackers. They're pretty amazing. I use them all the time for like parties or like cocktails or something like that when people come over. They're great with cheese, multigrain, organic, and it's a great price. So Costco has about 4,000 different SKUs. And you can see I'm getting some pretty good healthy stuff like protein, chicken, turkey, fruits, cheese snacks, some milk for the kiddo, eggs, peanut butter, dates. I mean, this is all great stuff, and it's all healthy and nutritious and organic, and it's a great price. Also, if you're messing up at home, you can pick up some flowers. This shit is super cheap, and they look great. Let's guess how much all this stuff is gonna be. I think it's gonna be $250 for all this food. So I was totally wrong. So we were at $375. I was off by a bit, but you see some like toilet paper in there. But this will probably last us as a family for another month or month and a half. So you amortize that over multiple weeks with the other things that we get from the store. This is not that much money.